Hello foodies, welcome back to 22 Its official Chatradi. Today, I'm sharing the most requested and no-fail recipe. Bengali style soft and puffy luchi, and the best part, no gas, no acidity, just light, fluffy perfection you'll love with every bite. Let's dive in. Start with 2 cups of maida, refined flour, add 1 teaspoon ghee, a pinch of salt, and mix well. Now add warm water gradually and knead into a soft but tight dough, just like a puri, but smoother. Rest the dough for 30 minutes. Cover it with a damp cloth. This helps in gluten formation for that perfect puff. Roll out small balls. Flatten into thin discs, not too thick, not too thin. Heat refined oil until moderately hot, then fry each luchi one at a time. They will instantly puff up. Flip once golden, don't over-fry. Pair with chollar dal or a loondum for that authentic Bengali vibe. That's it. Your gas-free, acidity-proof luchi is ready to serve. Soft, puffy and evenly. Try this version and you'll never go back to your old method again. If you loved it, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to 22 Its official Chatridia for more quick and healthy Bengali recipes. Comment below with your favorite luchi combo. See you in the next delicious video.